Day traders, have you experienced a nightmare like this before?
Where's our money? The account, it's drained. That's our house money.
I thought I could handle day trading on my own, but I lost it all.
What are we gonna do?
On a night where we were at our lowest point, we discovered something that would change us forever. We found these glowing books. Books that turn this nightmare into a vibrant world. We got a glimpse of the future of our dreams.
Most trading books skim the surface. They give you basics, but they don't show you how to trade. These are different. They're real study guides. Designed for beginners, but built for anyone ready to succeed. These strategies are working.
Pick any of them.
Only after you pick one of these. Step by step, strategy by strategy, they break it all down. It's not theory, it's a blueprint.
Who are you talking to? We have to go to bed. Our cruise is tomorrow.
See you in the next one. Click the link to see your vibrant world.